Namaste. Sorry for the delay. So, are you able to hear me? Yes.
Sir, you are
Okay, I am visible.
audible. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening to you. Actually, sorry for the delay because I had few patients from Bangalore. So that's why I was not able to be in time. Sorry for that. Okay. I think some network issues, right? Correct. So good evening, everyone. So shall we start the program? Okay. So today I will be sharing my experience in treating disc prolapse. So actually, first thing we have to understand what is disc prolapse. So before to that, we should be able to understand what is the anatomy and physiology of disc prolapse, so that we will be able to easily understand, catch up how the treatment works. See, whenever there is misalignment, the disc protrudes out. One reason, and second reason, whenever there is the heavy abdominal pressure, that is a negative pressure. So when the vayu keeps accumulating, that when patient is not having a proper bowel movement, what will happen? There will be a protrusion. Vayu will distend, abdomen will start distending. So what will happen? The every possibility, if you just imagine, this is vertebra, so this is vayu, it's exerting pressure in this way. So every possibility of having the anterior disc prolapse is heavy when vata is increasing in the abdominal cavity. So getting the point. So now what we have to do is that first thing we have to reduce the vata, that is vata anulomana. How to reduce vayu? So there are two methods, shamana and shodhana. Shamana way is to give some medicine so that vata moves freely. That itself will be the treatment. Okay, now what you have to do? We can take Triphala Churna, 1 teaspoon at bedtime. In when we are going to sleep, at that time, like before 7, you should be able to take food or your dinner at the time when you are able to sleep. That is 9-10 o'clock. So exactly after 3 hours after you are having your food or dinner, so you have to take 1 tablespoon of Triphala Churna. What will happen? Next day morning, you will have a very good laxative. It acts like a laxative and also a rejuvenator also. So vata will go freely. So the accumulation is relieved. So one thing. So second thing I have told you, when vayu enters into the level of asti. See, vayu first when enters into the rasa, rakta, mamsa, meda, asti. See, this is a sequence of procedure where disc prolapse is not done in a day. So it's a process of at least 5 to 7 months minimum to minimum. The patient, if at all they are coming, they will be able to tell a history of maybe 7 to 8 months history, actually the starting history. So when vata moves from one level to another level, what will happen? Tell me. The vata get accumulated in asti, so that time osteoporotic changes of the bone will takes place. See, because when vata enters one dhatu, there is 7 dhatu. So when it enters one dhatu, it keeps on drying up. It is something, just imagine a hot air. You are having a hot air and you have got few you have kept 1 teaspoon of water in your table. Just imagine, just blowing this hot air, what will happen? Slowly that drop will be dried off. So in the same way, when it reaches the rasa dhatu, that is the first dhatu, what will happen? Tell me. So it will dry up the rasa, so that there will be irritation. There will be irritation. So the patient feels that like he will not be very easy in a like a very noisy place. So he feels that what he feels that there is very much irritating towards the people. So he get very much fast angry. He'll be very much irritated in all the aspects. So husband wife fightings, inter relationship between the family members, each and everything will be kept on going down and down. So at that time you have to understand it's not the simple it's not only the manas problem, it's also something related to the water entering into the digestion also. Okay, so now what we have to do in this change means, so we have to correct the absorption and assimilation level, pacify the vata. How to pacify the vata? So there are two techniques. One thing is external and one thing is internal. So what is external means? So whatever you are doing, whatever you are applying externally, that is external. Internal means whatever you take internally, that is internal. So what is external means? So if you are able to take oil, so which oil is better for the vata? So each and every condition has got specific oil. Definitely I am more interested towards the vata disc prolapse. So now what we are doing is that you take little bit of tila taila, so which is best for the reducing the vata. So it's have got the rich calcium in it. So I have to tell one more thing added to it. So WHO, according to the WHO norms, there is requirement, our body requires 1000 mg of calcium per day. Okay, so however you eat, if you take egg, you get only 6 mg. If you take milk, 5 mg. If you take palak, 3 mg. So if you take likewise, how much eggs you have to take according to 1000 mg? If you want to require, like if you want to fulfill the 1000 mg, what you have to take? You have to take 167 eggs per day. Is it really possible? No. So what we have to do is that, so each and every day the bone starts demineralization, osteoporotic changes will start each and every day. So we are living at the cost or the at the blessings of the bone, because heart need calcium to beat. So each and every muscles require calcium. So we are not getting it actually. So what Ayurveda Acharyas has told how to maintain this calcium. So they have told that what? See, you have to apply the oil all over your body. That is Abhyangam Acharayat Nityam. You have to do as a acharana. What is acharana? You are brushing your teeth. That is acharana. You are taking your bath daily. Like that is also acharana. So what the things which have been taught to you from childhood days that you have to follow. So that is called as acharana. You are like festivals has been celebrated. So that is a celebration in the same way. So applying tila taila all over the body and taking bath, massage very gently, so that it will whatever the oil which you have applied, that has to go and go into your skin. It's not just you to apply and malish it like this. So what you have to do? You have to do a vigorous gentle massage. So what in the rainy season, what will happen means, whatever you apply, it will not be getting absorbed into your body. So what you have to do is that you have to take Udvartana Churna. So Udvartana Churna, if you get it, you Udvartana Churna is made up of yava, that is barley. Barley is been barley and horse gram. So it has to be finely powdered. Okay. After finely powdering, you take it, apply after applying the oil, or apply over your skin and massage. So that will increase your complexion. It is being told in Ayurveda that Abhyangam Acharayat Nityam sa jara shrama. What is jara? Jara means aging. Jara shrama. Shrama means what you call exhaustion. Jara shrama, tiredness, vataha. It will reduce the vata also. Okay. Sutuk ayuhu dadarikrit. That means sutuk means beautiful skin. It will maintain the complexion. It will not allow your skin for wrinkle formation. Okay, so then dadarikrit. So it makes your body so strong. Like whatever the muscles you have got, as the aging process continues, the sagging or weakness of muscle tissue will takes place. So what you have to do, if you apply the oil every day and take massage, the sagging or weakening of the muscles will be reduced to a greater extent. Understood? So definitely what we have to do, rather than to take the calcium supplement, which is having many side effects, what we have to do? We have to take the oil bath, which is very much sufficient for each and everyone. Up to 30% it will do its job. That is around about 300 mg out of 1000 mg. You get it by just only by doing the oil massage. Rest at least you can fulfill 50% from the diet, and rest 200%. So it's left to the God. So at least we are doing this much. Before, what we are doing, just we are taking food which consumes only about the 50% of the daily required thing, and 50% we are taking loan from the bone, that is asti. So now we have to doing, we have changed the lifestyle. So better, so whichever the patient are coming, so we have to advise them what has to be done to be healthy. So we are taking and giving some tablets or kashaya churna will not solve the problem at all. That could be a temporary. So changing of lifestyle is very much essential to be advised to the patient. What are all the advice has to be given? That is psychological, how the patient can maintain his sattva, raja and tama. Just like vata, pitta, kapha, sattva, raja and tama. If the patient is in tension each frequently, what will happen? The sharira dosha, vata, pitta, kapha also get affected by it, and definitely you suffer from psychosomatic disorder. Okay, so it is being told that there is no psychosomatic disorder, there is only psycho, that is manas. So it is being told that the each and every disease start from the manas itself. How you tell me? So can you show me any wild buffalo or wild deer having the disc prolapse, limping gait? No, because why it does not have it? See, it has a way to sleep. How it sleeps, do you know? It does not sleep on its spine. It sleeps in a circular curvy manner. So if you take each and every animal, it does not sleep on spine. Only we people sleep on spine, because when we sleep in this straight posture, extending our legs in this way, the U shape of what do you call the back, that is lumbar area, will be in this form. What will happen? We take a heavy food, heavy meal. So each and every time we take a heavy meal, what will happen? There will be a compression. So each and every possibility that each and every people will get disc problem. It does not mean that so you get sciatica nor spondylosis. Whenever and wherever there is a compression of the nerve. For example, as I have told you, if there is a compression of T2 nerve, that is the nerve which goes to the heart. So if it is being compressed, what will happen? Cardiac problem will be starting. So when there is T6 nerve, cervical 6 nerve getting compressed, the probability of getting thyroid is very much high. So definitely in my practice, when I have fixed all those nerves, and when I have given a proper advice of diet and lifestyle, so the reversing of sugar, BP, thyroid, PCOD has been taking place. So this is my experience. So this is a platform where I have chosen to explain you what is the importance of fixing the nerve, targeting the manas, and resolving the conflicts of the manas, how to give Sattvava Jaya Chikitsa. All these will play a vital role in treating, or it's a approach of a holistic approach to a patient. So yesterday one patient had come to me from Bangalore. He was telling that he is suffering from disc prolapse. MRI report shows that disc protrusion, L3, L4, L5 levels. So he is not able to walk properly, severe radiating pain, and actually he was been advised to have a laminectomy. Okay, so what happens, what I have told after feeling his nadi, I told him, see, since 1 year, your software is not going correct. So there is a matter of fear in your nadi. So what makes that? Actually, that is your problem, not the disc prolapse. So what disc prolapse is not a disease, it's a symptom of the manas which has been created the bhaya. So what happens in the bhaya condition? You tell me. There is each and every cells feel that I am not able to. In the, it's like, for example, I will tell you one more thing. You can you will be in front of the lion and you will be served beautiful, amazing, beautiful dish. That could be biryani or whatever, mristana bhojana, whatever you can take. So you are in a fear. Are you able to consume the food? No. In the same way, each and every cell has been united and we are here. Okay. So even though we are multicellular organism, you should not forget that each and every cell has a capacity to respond to the fear, love, each and everything. So it's a different, however, it is united. So you have to understand one thing, what happens in diabetes mellitus or sugar. So each and every cells are being flooded with sugar, but in a fear, it is not able to consume it. So that is why insulin, the resistance has been taken place. So now getting the point, what we have to do is that we have to remove the bhaya out of the patient. Then only the cells will be free to absorb the glucose and regenerate itself. So definitely the role of manas is very much essential. And I have been telling that how to correct this manas. I have given video of Sattva Jaya Chikitsa. Ask the patients to do that, write in a chart. You understand it, how to do it. Basically, later on, you give in a chart and ask the patient to do it regularly, daily. So that will enhance their sattva. Of course, then what will happen? So whatever you tell, he will be able to follow your medications as well as the dinacharya also. And now I was telling that we require 1000 mg. So we have to apply oil. So that is the lifestyle. And one more second thing is that how to, the way of sleeping, that has to be guided, as I told in the YouTube video, how to sleeping posture, that has to be seen. And third thing about the food. So as Dr. Archana Satya Madam was telling that, see, if langanam paramaushadam, so however you take less of food, that will give you remove the block. So it is being told that kha vaigunya vyadhihu pajayate, wherever there is a block, there creates a disease. So now we have to understand how the block is being formed. So now block is being formed by shleshma or kapha. How kapha is formed? Because of heavy eating, undigested thing, all these will create the kapha or phlegm. When this phlegm is formed in our body, it starts going in the channel, that is srotas. There are 72,000 nadis in our body. Okay, srotas is not just artery or the veins as we think. There are multiple small dimensional way of thinking where vasi or energy or pranic energy moves. It's not the simple artery and veins. It's above that. It is being above that. So it's a like kind of functional things where you have to assume the things, like, because you will not be able to see in your naked eyes where is the compression. But definitely if you feel that nadi is very low, and you will be able to tell that, Are Baba, after 6 months you are going to have a heart attack or this BP or sugar, something like that. So if you are able to feel the nadi, then only you will be able to tell that. After affecting your heart, after affecting your kidney, after damaging your all the organs, if you are able to see in MRI or USG, at that time, what is the use? There is no use after getting an attack. So what is the use of telling him, correct, go, don't take burger, that, this and everything? No, that will not do any good job at all. Definitely, I am keep telling you that is very good science. Definitely, it's very nice for handling the emergency condition. Definitely, I agree that those who are not following the proper lifestyle, they need it. They need all the Viper sugar tablets and H and everything, they need it. That those who are able to follow the suggestion of nature cure or Ayurveda, they does not require any form of the medicine, only the correcting the blocked channels. So how this blocked channel will be letting it free means, so you have to take lighter food. So what is lighter food means? the food which is having, takes more time to digest is heavy food, which takes very less time to digest is lighter food. Getting the point? Now what you have to do means, fruit and fruit juices are very lighter to digest. Getting the point? If you take an apple, if you will be hungry within 15 minutes, let me take one more apple, likewise you feel. If you take biryani, you will take up to 7-8 hours you will be taking. Until that time you will not having any appetite. So if you are really taking biryani, you should have that much work. You simply sit in your house, take nice biryani, and you tell that I am having
No audio video, sir.
What will happen?
No audio and no video.
Okay. Now?
And now it's okay. Now
Okay.
you are in a yellow zone. That
Okay.
time you become a red zone.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
shall
I
we
see.
continue? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I was telling means, the food which is very lighter in digestion, that we have to take. So if you are heavy work, okay, fine. So only patients will reach up to you because the srotas or the channels is being blocked. Now what you have to do is that you have to ask the patient to have little bit of pathya such that the formation of kapha will be stopped to a greater extent. One thing. So that is called as nidana parivarjana. Whatever the wrongdoings was there, you are stopping it. So henceforth, you could solve the problems from here afterwards. If daily kapha and blocking the srotas each and every time, what will happen? The same thing. So you keep on giving medicine, the patient will be in the same condition. So that no question of cure. Henceforth, what we have to do, if at all we want to get in cure, what we have to do, change the lifestyle, thinking style, food style, walking style, behavior. So each and everything, if you are able to change step by step, definitely that will do a job, beautiful job. So the next example what I would like to give is that, so when I was telling him that previous case, disc prolapse case, see from since 1 year you are suffering from the factor of baya. He told, yes sir, actually after my marriage all this happened. I was very much healthy. So he was like 37 years old guy, so just married only 1 year before. So after that there is very less understanding, frequent threats of divorce. So there is a conflict between the family. So it is like a joint family, so she is not able to cope up. So he is in a mental, just like in a pressure cooker. So he works in a like bakery, starts from 5:30 to 10:30, keeps on working. So what will happen when he comes to home? All these things. So she asks him to take to shopping, that this and everything. He's not able to manage all those things. So all this pressure made him to be in this stage now. So now what we have to do, without relieving the pressure over here, how you are able to treat the disease? Because each and every time you treat it and you may be doing drone or whichever the treatment you suggest, I don't have any problem in that. But whatever the treatment you do, it will not last for long duration of time. That could be any treatment. I'm not with the treatment now. So if you are able to correct this pressure, and if you are able to handle him, that telling Are Baba, there is no mistakes from your side. Yes sir, I will be very much angry sir. I'm a very much frustrated guy. What made you really angry, sir? So my born and brought up history was telling, like he was each and every step in his life, he has been like hurt from the father, mother, relatives. So it's something like, hurting story. Step by step. It was step by step hurting story. So I think you can off the video so that the like the network will catch better. Off the video. Okay, Mustik madam,
Video pause.
video off
Video
kijiye
pause.
so that
Repeat.
whatever I will be telling, that will be very much audible to you. It will not consume more of our cable. Okay. Okay, fine. Now coming to what I was telling. the sequence and series of the hurting story made him to be like more aggressive in his nature. So all the previous memory which has been there, so he is just dumping into his wife. So that makes life really miserable. So definitely, so where we have to treat at that juncture of time. So why patient, if at all we are not asking a leading question, I mean, without telling the patient anything, if you are able to judge him and if you are able to tell him, Are Baba, this is your problem, then only he will open up. Or else, patient usually come, I have this problem, what is the medicine? We suggest few medicines, over. So, patient will definitely will not open all these private things. So, definitely, Nadi is a definitely like with a direct way to the subconscious level of mind. So we'll be able to understand his personality, his inside feeling, and also organ level of functioning. So I really mesmerize by whenever I give a Sattva Jaya Chikitsa, when the Bhaya was very much high in his Nadi, after he feels and understands it, so his Nadi will be very stable, very slow, very aramse. Because at that juncture of time, the healing process has been started. Manas understood that, so there is a problem. So Manas starts repairing its organs. So where is the Manas? We till now we thought it is in our brain. No way. Each and every cell has got Manas. So each and every DNA in our cell has got its own Manas. So only we are able to develop or clone a same person as me by just using one tissue in my body. So each and every organ has its own memory. It has been a largest memory reservoir because see, I have been or we have been taking the ancestors' face or the skin color from thousands and thousands of years. So skin did not forget. So skin did not forget how my color should be. What are my functions? So it is the largest area of Manas. So definitely what we have to tell the patient is now, see, without correcting your Manas, definitely without resolving your problem, that is not possible. So now Manas get activated and Manas finding, so, oh, is it really required? Okay. So now, okay, now if I have to relieve the problem, how should I resolve? You need not tell how to leave each and every step. You only guide him. So just motivate him. That is definitely, you need not give any suggestion. Getting the point? He knows each and how to resolve the conflicts. Now Manas is activated. Manas will understand where is the problem and starts healing up. Then at this time, if you are able to do any treatment, that will be like just like a magical thing. Okay. And the patient will be relieved of all the problems. So after the treatment, he was telling, sir, absolutely fine. No pain, no nothing. Like I am absolutely fine. So today also he had called me, sir, no pain at all. So I'm doing good. So very nice, sir. Thank you so much. So in this way, what I was telling was the role of Manas and coming to the treatment. So as I told you, there is misalignment of the spine is there. So what we have to do? We have to align this spine, and as the nerve has got compressed, what we have to do? To relieve this compression, we can do in the sciatic nerve point, we can do acupuncture and nerve stimulation. So these two, and also if at all, if we can add few of the things like Marmam, Tongzen, all this treatment, ozone funneling, okay, or rectal ozone, all those things will do a beautiful and great job in treating the what you call disc prolapse, or that could be any disease for that matter. Okay. So we have got only 10 minutes. So this is question and answer hour. Suppose you can ask your own questions based on my talk, today's talk. Okay, thank you. And if at all any more questions are there, we can switch over to the another Zoom platform which have been given to you. We can go to that. Okay, thank you. It's over to you now.
अगर उस आदमी को बहुत टेंशन है तो उसका टेंशन हम कैसे रिलीज करवाएं, कैसे उसको उसका दिमाग ठीक करें कि वो टेंशन कम से कम ले.
See, tension. See, that's why. By first thing, he will not tell I am in tension. He will be a very cool
he will
guy.
not.
Yeah, he will be a very cool guy, and by seeing him, you will not be able to understand it at all. Like he could be myself. I like suppose I am coming to Pratik. Suppose like he was charming, fine. How are you? How that this and everything. We feel that we are little bit of depressed fellows. They are very much high in spirituality. But when we feel their nadi, then only we will be understanding. So you feel so happy, but still something very much hurting is taking place in your mind. What made since 1 year you have been suffering from the factor of fear? What's happening? Sometimes you are very fine, sometimes you are very much depressed, sometimes you are more anger is coming out. What is making you actually? So when you ask this question, then he will come to our control, and he keeps opening up. So when that catharsis will take place, some starts running their tears. Sir, my husband also always doubts me. One poor patient had come to me recently. She was telling that she was around about 60 years. Still my husband is 70 years. Husband doubts me that I have some affairs. See, all these things happens. So that the actually problem is what she's having her breast pain. There was a lump. So what actually was that?
No video.
Yeah. Okay. What actually was that? It's an internal embedded feeling of disrespect, or what you call very heavy feeling towards the husband, made the breast lump very hard. So that was heavy pain in her breast. So she showed to many doctors. Definitely she did not find any answer for that. Usually doctors check and there is no lump as that they could feel very much high. So they usually suggest with painkillers and all those things without any much result. So what was the actually problem? This was the really problem. So she oftenly quite denied the sex quite oftenly. So husband start gaining hatred towards her. So that way that made her to him to suspect all those things. So she was not in that mood at all. So what is her age actually? So definitely I am telling that I am done MS in counseling, sexuality and sexual counseling. I would like to tell you that there is no age limit for sex. The person can do up to 100 years also. No, it's no problem at all. So what is the thing is that, so we have to understand our partner. So we have to talk with moreover females will care for love, affection more than the sex. So what happens over here is that males are more toward they think that love means sex. Not everyone, but definitely this is the common psychology. So there is quietly oftenly there will be fighting for that. So in this way, when we I have understood that this is a thing and you have to be in this way. So this is what has really happening. So when she understood all those things, so her pain also reduced. Okay, so by simple techniques, okay, the pain was reduced and she was really happy after going. She called me and told that I am not getting any more pain at all. I slept very nicely. Like before, I was not sleeping, not able to sleep at all. So it means that, see, there is much relation between the manas as well as the disease. So without curing the manas element, how you are going to cure? That will be a low science where you are targeting all your organs, painkillers, pain gateway. So if you control the manas, it's brilliant than any other treatments. Getting the point. So these are the things. Any more questions, madam?
We know that we have to control the manas. The patient is not accepting that, or sometimes patient understands he is on the very stress because of his business, because of his working lifestyle, or working whatever profession. So he is taking so much stress. So in that time, how can हम उसकी help कैसे कर सकते हैं कि
See,
कैसे अपना
all
stress
these
कम
things
कर
are of techniques. One day we
उसको
can
मालूम है
technique. So it is step
उसको
by step.
मालूम है कि वो स्ट्रेस ले रहा है
Yeah.
माने पेशेंट को मालूम है कि उसके बहुत स्ट्रेस है, वो उस स्ट्रेस के कारण ही उसको शुगर, बीपी या जो भी कुछ लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज भी है, he
Yeah.
knows it,
It's
but
something
वो
like
उसको हैंडल नहीं कर पा रहा.
of course, He knows that, but still he drinks. He knows that, still he suspects, because that is a force coming from within. He knows he is doing wrong, but still he does. He gets some pleasure by hurting her, beating her, okay, suspecting her. So there is some pleasure gained out of it. So he knows that, but still do the same. He is not able to come out of that web. So if you are able to guide him properly, see, that's require really a patience. And definitely you can come over to me at any time, stay here, and the way we talk, the how we approach, there could be a talk of hypnotization, talking in a way of the patient get convinced in their own languages. So it's a big thing. It's a practical skill. Like, you cannot just read in any book and understand. So that has to be experienced, just like swimming. If however I tell you, you have to do that, this is the nadi, that is, and everything, but definitely you will not be in a perfect. So when you come over here, study and learn few things, that will do a beautiful job. So many have done, many of the physician, pathologist, cancer specialist, okay, skin specialist have come over here, BMS doctors, homeopathy doctors have come over here, studied, and they are doing their practice good also. So definitely, see, these are the skills where we can upgrade to ourselves. It's better friend for the humanity also. So that's why I'm here to share my experience, as that this experience will do a great things to many of the people all over the world. Yeah. Any more questions? So we have left with only just 2 minutes more. If at all, if you want to continue, we can continue in next Zoom session, or else we can wind up here itself. Any more questions you can ask?
No, sir. No, right now I don't have any question.
Okay, fine. Anyone? If no questions, no problem. We'll be winding up in 2 minutes.
सर, नाड़ी को समझने का अच्छा से मेरे को आप बताओ ना, क्लास नेक्स्ट टाइम नाड़ी की क्लास बढ़िया वाली लो, ताकि हम समझे कैसे पकड़े, कैसे करें. मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्ट है उसमें.
Okay, fine.
बुक्स पढ़ के मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया है कि मैं काफी कोशिश करती हूँ.
It's not possible. See, you should have a guru who will guide you. Later on, you can build up. See, whenever you have a foundation, you can build up to 12th tier also. But no foundation, by only just constructing with the knowledge of books, it will be something like, you keep 2 blocks of paper above, it will go down. So there is no foundation at all. So foundation should be from the Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Pancha Mahabhuta, Dhatu, Mala, Manas, Sattva, Raja, Tama. All these aspects should be very strong. Then only we will be able to find what and how and all.
But in naturopathy or acupressure, acupuncture, in all the alternative medicine, what I am doing on many alternative medicine. But there is.
So should we continue, or we will wind up here itself?
No way to understand the nadi.
Do you want me to continue in one more section, or will we stop now itself? As there is no question, so we are stopping the program. So thank you for watching and following me. So sorry for being late. So have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Connection.